Hi, Miss Manuel. This is me, Yohanna, and right now I am going to explain my CPT. So this is my CPT video. I have to be very quick and thorough, which is what I am going to try and do because I only have 5 minutes to do this. So let's begin. This is my home screen, which includes several components such as the title, Computer Hardware Review, subtitle, my name, school, grade, and the year. But it also does include two images, one on the far left-hand side and the other on the far right-hand side. These images are put here as part of my use of random numbers, which, if I'm not mistaken, is one of the requirements for the CPT. I've only used that once, and that is right here, as you can see in the home screen. It also includes two buttons, the play button, which takes you to the questions, and the instructions button, which takes you to the instructions page. So that's where I'm going to take you right now. Instructions. To play, press the back button over here to get back to the home screen, and then click the play button. To answer the question, click and hold your answer on your screen that corresponds with your guess once. That I will further understand when we get to the first question because it will make so much more sense over there. If your answer is correct, you will be awarded 1 point to your score and we'll move on. Your score will be given to you at the end of the game. Remember that the back button, like this, will always take you back to the home screen, but your question will remain the same. And by that, I mean that in every single question, there is a back button like this that does take you back to the home screen just in case you forget the instructions, which you can reach over here. And there is no time limit, so you can always take your time. If you want to mute the music, press this button. This button does not work over here in the instructions, but like the back button, it is in every single question throughout the game. And you must be aware that once you click the button once, the background music and only the background music will be muted for the rest of the game. Other sound effects will be continued throughout the entire game. Okay, the next button. The next button is to be used when a question is answered or to skip a question. And therefore, skipping a question will not result in a loss of points. That just means that if you do not know the answer to a question, you're really struggling, you can always click at the next button, which will be located at the bottom. And that does not mean you'll lose any points or gain any points. You're gaining 0 points from that. Okay, now let's go to the first question. Question number 1. Blank are programs that are designed to help users to be more productive with their personal tasks. I believe the answer to this is application software. So what I'm going to do is click and hold. And what I like about this is that it shows me in one of two ways that I'm correct. One, by changing the color of my box to green, and also giving me a check mark. What I like about this is very convenient for the people who don't understand the green box, that you have two ways of looking at it. One, looking at the check mark, or two, knowing that the color green represents correctness, or pretty much correctness. But because of that, now when I let go, it will go back to normal, and I have the ability to now go to the next question. Ability to go to the next question. Okay, question number 2. I think I'm going to be running out of time, so I'm just going to go through this quickly. I know the answer to this question is most definitely not D. So as I click and hold on D, what I like about this is that it gives me two, it's very informative because of the ways that it represents its whether you're correct or not. For example, I know I'm incorrect because of the red box and the X. And I also do now know that the correct answer is interface. But because of this, I did not gain any points because I did not click the correct answer. So now I'm going to skip the rest of the questions just to get you to the back. I'm going to click view results, which will take me to my score. And this is my score.